Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today, we're sharing 10 genius study hacks that will transform your study sessions. Whether you're struggling with focus, organization, or productivity, these tips will help you level up your study game. Let's dive in. Hack 1. DIY Study Playlist. First up, create a calming study playlist. Use instrumental or lo-fi music to maintain focus while studying. We'll show you how to curate the perfect playlist and share some recommended tracks to get you started. Hack 2. Color-coded notes. Next, let's talk about color-coding your notes. Use different colored pens or highlighters to categorize information by subject or topic. This visual organization makes it easier to find and review information later. Hack 3. Mason jar organizers. Transform mason jars into stylish organizers. We'll show you how to clean, decorate, and label jars to store small supplies like pens, pencils, or art materials. This keeps your workspace tidy and visually appealing. Hack 4. Sticky note reminders. Never forget an important deadline again with sticky note reminders. We'll demonstrate creative ways to use sticky notes on your laptop, desk, or even create a sticky note wall for maximum visibility. Hack 5. Portable whiteboard. Create your own portable whiteboard using a picture frame with glass. We'll guide you through the simple steps to make this versatile study tool that you can use for notes, brainstorming, or quick reminders. Hack 6. DIY Desk Organizer. Get creative with this DIY desk organizer. We'll show you how to use recycled materials like toilet paper rolls or shoe boxes to create a custom organizer for all your study supplies. Hack 7. Pomodoro Technique Timer. Boost your productivity with the Pomodoro Technique. We'll explain how this time management method works and show you how to use a simple kitchen timer or app to implement it in your study routine. Hack 8. Digital flashcards. Take your flashcards digital. We'll walk you through creating and using digital flashcards on popular apps, explaining how features like spaced repetition can enhance your memory retention. Hack 9. Scented Study Space. Create a calming atmosphere with scents. We'll discuss how certain scents like lavender or peppermint can improve concentration and show you how to incorporate them into your study space safely. Hack 10. Label everything. Our final hack is all about labeling. We'll demonstrate how to use a label maker or create printable labels to organize your binders, notebooks, and storage boxes efficiently. And there you have it, 10 genius study hacks that will transform your study sessions. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you and make these hacks a part of your routine. If you found these hacks helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more study tips and tricks. Share your favorite hack or your own study tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.